Hello everyone, I am Harpreet and in this video session I am going to tell you how to use of may, might, ought to and used to. First of all is may. So may is used for the permission. May I come in, sir? If you are using can I come in, sir, here it's also correct. The only difference is degree of politeness. If you wanted to be more polite, then you can use may here. Next is possibility. His statement may be true. You can use might here too. His statement might be true. It will be correct. Next, a wish. May you live long. May God bless you. These are wishes. But take care of one thing, that while we are using may as a wish, don't forget to put sign of exclamation at the last of the sentence. Next is a purpose. We eat. The purpose is that we may live. Here we use may. Next is might. Might is used as the past of may. For example, he said that I might go. Possibility, as I told you earlier, that you can use his statement may be true or his statement might be true. Both are correct. Permission. Might I have your pen? You can use may here, but might show the greatest hesitation or shyness, or you are uncomfortable to ask for the pen of someone. If you are asking, you are taking permission, or you are asking for something but you don't have self confidence to ask for the thing, you can use might there. Next is ought to. Ought to is used in the same sense we are using should. Same like the should, we use ought to as a moral duty. We ought to have helped the poor. Possibility, Mohan ought to win the race this time. Desirability, there ought to more buses. As I told you that might is the past of may, will, would is the past of will, and should is the past of shall, but ought form has no past of its own, but it indicates past time when it's used with the perfect infinitives. For example, have, this is perfect infinitives, and if we are using the word ought to have, then it's a past in itself. For example, he ought to have worked hard. This is the here ought to is used as a past sense. You ought to have gone. The train ought to have left an hour ago. So these sentences are already in past form. We can't use here the past form of ought. It has no past form. Next is used. We always use to with the used. It indicates a constant or frequent practice in the past. For example, he used to go there. So this is how to use of may, might, ought to and used to. Thank you. Have a nice day.